The sink stopper knot is a strong, bulky knot, perfect for creating a secure handhold on a pull line. It's also an excellent stopper knot to prevent a rope from slipping through a block or pulley. Ready to master it? Let's dive into tying this essential knot step by step. To begin, take your rope and form an overhand loop, keeping it loose for the next steps. Now, pull a bight through that loop to create a simple noose and tighten it gently. This forms an overhand knot around the bight, giving the base structure of your noose. Next, wrap the working end behind the bight where it exits the overhand knot. Ensure it stays parallel and positioned just below the exiting strand. Bring the working end to the front, crossing over the rope to form a secure wrap. Now tuck the working end neatly through the loop at the top of the knot. Pull the noose tight, ensuring everything stays in place. Finally, work the entire knot tight by pulling firmly on the ends. And there you have it, your sink stopper knot ready for action.